Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView Backtest. Backtesting is a crucial step for any trader, allowing you to test your strategies against historical market data without risking real money. It helps you understand how a strategy might have performed in the past, giving you valuable insights into its potential profitability and inherent risks. TradingView provides powerful, user-friendly tools to conduct thorough backtests, helping you refine your trading approach before you ever place a live trade. To begin, navigate to the Pine editor within TradingView. Here, you will write or paste your strategy's code. It is essential to clearly define your entry and exit conditions, specifying exactly when trades should be opened and closed. Remember to set your preferred order types, whether they are market orders for immediate execution or limit orders for specific prices. Also, adjust crucial parameters like stop loss and take profit levels to manage risk and secure gains effectively. Once your strategy is coded, add it directly to your chart from the Pine editor. Next, select the specific asset and time frame you wish to backtest, perhaps over several months or even a few years of data. Then, open the Strategy Tester tab, usually found at the bottom of your screen. This tab will display comprehensive performance metrics, including net profit, gross loss, and maximum drawdown, giving you a clear picture of your strategy's historical performance. After running the backtest, carefully examine the equity curve to visualize your strategy's performance over time. Look for consistent growth and identify any periods of significant drawdowns or losses. This analysis helps pinpoint weaknesses. Based on your findings, adjust your strategy's parameters, such as entry signals or position sizing, to optimize its performance. Remember, backtesting is an iterative process. Continuous testing and refinement are key to developing a robust and profitable trading strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.